Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you. Here I have a box of goodies from SimonSaysStamp filled with fun surprises. Unlike our previous unboxing videos where you see me showcasing beautiful card kits by Simon, this one is part of a very special campaign supporting the Huntington's Disease Society of America. A beautiful initiative by SimonSaysStamp along with the support of many vendors and members of the crafting community. Before I show you what's in the box, I would love for you to take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Also, please check the links in my description box for details about the Simon box and also to learn more about the Huntington's Disease Society of America. Let's now take a look at this box filled with some fun surprises. The first thing I see here is this note which says thank you. I will take a minute here to read out what's written on this note. It says, "Thank you. Your kind heart does not go unnoticed. 100% of the net sales from your purchase of this crafty box are going to the Huntington's Disease Society of America as they research to find a cure. The products you see in your box have been generously donated by the vendors reflected in these items. Well, I really appreciate this kind of gesture by all those who are involved towards such an amazing cause." First up, we have a few fun stuff from Holtz. We have this beautiful 8-inch chain which would work great as a bracelet. It has a lobster claw clasp for easy attachment. Also included in the box are these packs of links and charms which can be easily paired with the chain. Next we have this beautiful vintagey washi tape. Unlike most of the washi tapes which I have which are more paper-like texture, this one here is kind of a thick fabric. It does come with this yellowish sticky backing that can be removed before we stick the tape onto our projects. Next, we have these gorgeous Deco Frames by Glitter Dust. There are a total of 10 teal-colored peel and stick frames, perfect to create a beautiful focal point for our card fronts. Also included in the box is a small jar of tiny heart sequins from Sizzix. These would be perfect for our shaker cards or even use them as embellishments for the card fronts. Next, we have this package of Thoughts label stickers which is designed by Holtz for their Ideology collection. There are a total of 64 different black and white adhesive backed label stickers, each with a different thought. These labels feel more like a vinyl and have raised lettering for a vintagey look. There are so many ways to use these stickers. They can be used on your card fronts, scrapbooks, art journals, planners, and so many more projects. Since they have a sticky backing, you won't need any kind of glue to adhere them onto your projects. There are two dies included in this box. The first one is this World Globe die by Kaisercraft. And then we have a Thanks cursive script circle die by Memory Box. I love both these dies and can't wait to use them on my future projects. Well, this next set of products is a very unique product which, I have not used in my cards. These are little wooden travel related cutouts. These would be perfect addition to any kind of fun projects or can also be used as table toppers for parties, for decorations. You could easily color these little cutouts and use them in multiple ways. Last but not the least, I have two huge stamp sets. The first one here is the Frame Flora Stamp and Die Bundle by Gina Designs. This is my first set from Gina Designs. I'm really excited to try out this beautiful stamp set. I love the pretty floral arrangement around the heart and the little box and the beautiful bold sentiments which would be perfect for so many occasions. Next is this 6x8 stamp set by SimonSaysStamp. It's called Life is a Party. I love how fun this stamp set is, perfect for so many fun occasions. Check out the bold and cursive sentiments and the balloons. I'm totally in love with all of these supplies and also glad that I could donate my bit for such a noble cause. The products were a total surprise for me and I had no idea what was inside the box until I opened it. And I must say, these products definitely exceeded my expectations. I can't wait to start creating. I will be using most of these products in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. The links to all the supplies can be found listed in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out the links for the details about this box and also to learn more about the Huntington's Disease Society of America. Thanks for being here with me today. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.